Hi, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you this Rolife Book Nook. It is the Garden House version.
This set includes everything you'll need, so we didn't need any extra tools or glue. Everything is included for you, and all of the pieces are nicely organized into templates of wood or cardboard cutouts that you just pop out, or there are stickers that are easy to peel and stick, and the detail on the stickers is incredible. You may just need to get out a magnifying glass to fully appreciate all of the little details in the print quality. The instructions are very easy to understand, and every piece is labeled well, so I'd say even kids could help you with this. My family and I did this together, and let me tell you, building a 3D puzzle together is a bonding experience. You are going to love it. This garden house is so beautiful, so feminine, and it can definitely go with so many different styles. Everyone who has seen this has asked us where we got it from because it looks like a store-bought item because it's so well made, and they just cannot believe that we actually put this together ourselves. It also puts off a lot of light, so it's a great night light because it has an overhead light at the top and a little floor lamp at the bottom. So it's beautiful. You gotta just take in the details. You really have to look inside at this secret world that's in your 3D puzzle.
I had such a great time putting this book nook together with my family. We really enjoyed it, and you end up with such a beautiful final product that you can display on your bookshelf or around your house. So I think you're gonna love it, but that's just my point of view.